In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. So first 7 divided by 1 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 7. Okay, 7 times 7 gives us 49. So 49 times 7, which equals 7 times 9 gives us 63. So we write 3 here and carry 6 here. 7 times 4 gives us 28. So 28 plus 6 equals 34. So we have 343. And this is our final answer to this problem.